G'day everyone, welcome back to Wayne's Diecast. We're going to have a look at this Nissan Skyline today. It's a Calsonic livery. It's a 143 scale from EBBRO. Very nice. Nice packaging. Has a, I guess you could say, an expensive feel to it, if that's a thing. So this is the, it was raced over in Japan, I think it was. Don't know the full story of Calsonic, but I seem to have collected a few Calsonic cars now, so why not just add to it by getting more of them? So that's what I've done. I do have another one coming. Just it's the same thing. It's 1998, but it has a different aero on it, so that one should be here in the next week or so. So yeah, it's just a nice blue packaging, all licensed and everything. Yeah, very nice. I like the work they do on these EBBRO models. They do a pretty good job. A lot of fine detail, which looks good. This is the number 12. Alright, so let's get this out. Just gotta be careful, there's a little aerial on top there. Now, what are we? We're Phillips head screw. Small one. Is that? Yeah, I think that's right. Yeah, there we go. I always worry about the screws sometimes because some of them are in there quite well and don't want to come out. It's a bit hard to hold the car so you don't wreck something. There we go, that's all good. Alright, so put that over there with that. Might as well have a look underneath while we're here. Not a great deal under there. They've done pretty good at the back here. There's a bit of depth to the model there, all the arms. You can see the diff center. Yeah, not too bad. Alright, so we'll have a look at the front. So this is an R33. So we've got a little hook here, the recovery hook. Headlights, which I don't know because these are just all black. So I'm not sure what the deal was, whether they just had their tinted light. Damn it, got the shakes. Yeah. And the grill has a bit of depth to it in here, so it's sort of hollowed out a bit. Got Bridgestone Potenza tyres. Does have a disc brake with a caliper in there. You can see it's probably, yeah, you might be able to. I've got the driver's names there, but I need the magnifying glass to have a look. Windscreen wiper on the windscreen there is very, very fine detail. That's really good. Really good. And we've got the venting on the bonnet. And a very small aerial up there. So the other one that's coming, it has different wing on it. It's a 1998 as well. It's got a different wing. So it's a different aero package as well, and on the sides I think. Got the exhaust that comes out here. Now this wheel doesn't turn that well. Sort of loosening up a little bit. But again, I don't really need it to roll, so I'm not too worried about it. The only thing I don't like is the roll cage, how it doesn't fit to the curve of the roof here, it just comes straight down. I notice that a lot on 1/64 scale cars as well. The roll bars won't fit correctly, which you'd think that they should be able to do it. There's not a reason why not. Unless that's how it was on the actual car, I don't know. It could have been. Seems a bit silly to me, but it could have been. You know, maybe for strength reasons. Better to have a straight bar than a bent bar, don't know. Around the back we've got lensed lights here. All these, the reverse brake light indicators are all lensed. Oh, stop shaking. So we've got our Nissan under here, got Calsonic, and then Calsonic on the wing there as well. And then here we have a small hook, recovery hook. Then on here I'd say we'd have some venting on this rear window here. It's a yes, this one's a right-hand drive. We do have mirrors here, and they do have some reflective material on them, which is good. Calsonic above the windscreen there. Oh God, stop shaking. Alright, I'm going to get that on the turntable so you can have a look without me shaking everywhere. And alrighty. Right. Try this. There we go. Alright, there. Now we don't have to worry about me shaking. Alright, so yeah, that's the Calsonic Nissan Skyline. It's a pretty good looking race car. So yeah, as I said, I've got another one coming, and so I think I've already got 4 of them, I think, 4 or 5 of them. Other ones, so 1/64 scale. There. Oops. Yeah, so it doesn't roll. Yeah. But that's okay. Doesn't matter. Just means it won't roll off the shelf. Alright. We'll end this one here. Please like, comment, subscribe. Check out the other videos that are popping up. And we'll see you all on the next video. Alright. Bye for now.